we'll circle back on to AI.
Yes.
What's next for Ranpak in this space?
So we have been spending quite a bit, and I think we'll announce this in the next few weeks, quite a bit of time on our equipment in terms of how do we use AI to make it better. What do I mean by that? Literally workers talking to the equipment if there's an issue, and then getting feedback from the machine in terms of what the potential issue is and how you could service it. So you need less and less of our service guys and our technicians to address it. We're doing a lot of data and data analysis work for preventive maintenance, for predictive maintenance. So all these things that just help the uptime, help the servicing of the equipment, and using AI engines to sort of pick patterns and understand that earlier. Then we're using AI to give our customers data around productivity. How many parcels have they shipped? How much material did they use? What was the void with these parcels? So that they can have the visibility. How can they be efficient? What was the uptime on the equipment? If there are issues, what were the issues? And how long did it take to address these issues, and what was the downtime? So it's a lot of emphasis around data that make our operations more efficient, and more importantly, make our customers more efficient. And that connective tissue that I'm talking about is something we're coming up with more and more with our equipment, where effectively the equipment is just becoming smarter in an industrial setting to bring efficiency to the customer.